Struggling to compete on Amazon? I'll be going over how I crushed my competitors and took sales to the next level. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. The key is to have good tools. If you have good tools, it makes your job a lot easier, and it's a lot easier to increase your sales. Just like if you're hiring a plumbing company, an AC company, somebody that's building a pool or a house, the better their tools, the faster they can do it, and the higher quality it's able to get done, right? So we want to have the right tools, and that's why we're using Helium 10, which is, in my professional opinion, again, one of the most powerful tools. They have a free trial. But anyway, if we're trying to increase our sales, we want to use easy is going to be Helium 10's listing analyzer tool. So let's just say this is our listing right here, or this is our competitor's listing making $38,000 a month. So this is their listing. It's a portable campfire, making a significant amount of money, right? And then we have another listing right here, and it's Duraflame, and this is our listing, only making $1,000 a month, 985, nothing, right? We want to increase the sales of this. To do that, we want to just do the listing analyzer. So we're going to analyze our listing health score, LHS. You're going to click this button, and you click Run Listing Analyzer. Again, this is a tool in Helium 10, and it'll actually analyze your listing, give you feedback on easy steps you can do to improve your listing. You can see the listing quality score is a 6.2, which is not good. And this is the first thing we want to do. It's the easiest step. And you scroll down, and it literally tells you what to do to improve your listing. 5 bullet points. We don't even have 5 bullet points. So if we look at the listing, it's like we forgot to put the bullet points. There's no bullet points on the listing. So how is anybody going to get like extra feedback, right? And all these photos, I'll be honest, they look like exactly the same. Okay, so again, first letter of the bullet. Okay, so the bullet points are missing. There's not 7+ images. So there's not even 7 images on the listing. Okay, includes video. The listing doesn't even include a video. The competitor doesn't include the video. I'm surprised the competitor doesn't have a video either. But again, these are great steps to improve your listings quality. Very easy things you can do to improve the listing quality score. So we want to get this to as close to 10 out of 10 as possible, and then take it to the next step. The next step is analyzing our top competitor and seeing what keywords they're ranking for on Amazon. So again, if we can at least copy our top competitors' keywords, will at least show up in the same areas as they are, right? So what's our top competitors' keywords? So again, we're going to use this tool called Cerebro, and then what we're going to do is put in their ASIN. So this is the competitor's ASIN. We're going to put it in Cerebro right here and click Get Keywords. Once we do that, it gives us tons of data and actually shows us the exact keywords that people are typing in and where this listing is showing up. So you can see right now their organic rank, they're showing up 1,455 times on Amazon. That means if somebody types in beach bonfire, they're showing up. If somebody types in campfire in a can, they're showing up, right? But these are too many keywords. So what we're going to do is we're going to pretty much filter it and find the top keywords. And then we're going to add those keywords into our title, our missing bullet points, our description. That's going to help us show up for the same place our competitor is. I'm going to export this data right here. We're going to go right here. We're going to filter it. Okay, it's a lot of data. I'm going to make it super easy. So all you're going to do is you're going to hide B and C. We're going to have A, D, F, and then Z. Okay, so what we're going to do is it's going to show our competitor's keyword phrase. Oh, let me just go back a little bit. Boop. And here's their keyword phrase, keyword sales, search volume, organic rank. So these ones right here, see how it says number 1? That means that if I type in beach bonfire, they're showing up page number 1, spot number 1, organically without any ads, right? Same with campfire in a can. And not only this, campfire in a can, they got 6 sales just ranking for this keyword in the past month. It might be more, it might be less, but again, we want to have this. Do we have this in our title? Campfire in a can. That should be in our title. It's campfire. No. So again, you wouldn't know this unless you had this tool most of the time. So again, that's a good one. And we can just see all of the keywords that they're ranking for. This is all page number 1. So I'm just going to highlight this to make it easy. We can look at page number 2. Number 2 means they're on page number 1, but spot number 2. But we want to look at the ones they're showing up number 1 for, because if we can show up next to them, you can see that ours is only $12.97. We've got 4.4 stars. Theirs is 4.2, $96. So most customers would probably buy our product first before they buy theirs. But the issue is we don't even have, we're not showing up on Amazon. That's the issue. We need to show up and be seen. Once we're seen, then we can go from there. So I want to show up, here's beach bonfire. I want to show up for that keyword. Campfire in a can. Beach bonfire, beach fire, bonfire in a can, right? And we can see what other keywords they're ranking for. So we can look at number 2. So this one has their brand name in it, Radiate Portable Campfire. Since it's trademarked, we can't put that in our title or bullet points. But yeah, so that's the second. So again, you just go through this and kind of just go through their top, I would say their top 10. And then just go through, here's their top 10. So they're showing up page number 1, spot 10. So just showing up in those areas. And you can see, again, portable campfire, fire pit candle, and you can see the search volume. It kind of shows you some great data. So again, you wouldn't be able to do this without this tool, or it'd be very, very difficult. Next is going to be, what are they running for PPC? So we know what they're running for organic, but what about their Amazon ads? Can we copy their exact keywords they're running Amazon ads for? And the answer is yes. So it's the exact same thing, except let me go back. We're just going to do the same exact sheet, but instead we're going to filter it, and we're going to hide column Z. We're going to hide A, B, well, B and C, and E, and then we're just going to do the same exact thing. Okay, but now it's just going to be, let me see, A, sorry. There we go. This time it's just A, D, and F. So A, same thing, D, F, but now it's Y instead of Z. And it says sponsored rank here. And this is so we can actually filter this and then show what they're showing up for number 1 for Amazon ads. What are they running Amazon ads for? And we can see right off I'm going to highlight this in yellow. Again, we're just focused on number 1. They're running the keyword s'mores maker. Look at this. S'mores maker, 81 sales in the past month. Again, 3,000 extra searches. Crazy. If we were ranking for this keyword, I know for a fact we would be generating more sales. And again, s'mores is a trademark, so we can't put this in our title, we can't put this in our bullet points, but we can run Amazon ads towards this keyword. So we can do an exact match campaign running ads toward this keyword and then potentially dominate the market. So again, very, very powerful tools. Another thing is to get ahead of the competitors. So right now we're only looking at the competitors, but what about getting ahead of their listings? Like finding new keywords that none of the competitors are using. And that's going to be using the tool Magnet. So you click on Magnet, and what you're going to do is, our product is a portable campfire, right? It's a portable campfire. So I'm just going to type this into Magnet right here and click Get Keywords. And then it's going to show me all of the keywords that are related to this. Like if people are going to type in most likely or want to buy our product. And it's going to show a lot of, I'm not going to pull the report for this one. I'm just going to filter it by search volume. And right here it says camping essentials. So is this could be considered a camping essential because it's a way to make a portable campfire very quickly. So let's see, camping essentials right here. And it's getting 175,000 searches a month, which is a significant, it's way more than any of these. If you look at these ones are only getting like, this one's getting 3,000 searches a month. Imagine being seen 175,000 times on Amazon. So, and here it's even telling us what the PPC bid is. So if we want to run Amazon ads, how much the cost per click is. So we can put this in our title. we can put this in our bullet points. And if we look camping essentials, our competitor doesn't even have this keyword. They don't even know this keyword exists. That's why using tools like this helps us get ahead of the competitor. So camping essentials, if we can rank for this keyword, double down on this keyword, we can outsmart our competition, rank in new subcategories, and then our competition is going to be like, how the hell are they how is their sales so high? Well, how did it get higher than ours? And that's because we are doing our due diligence and getting ahead of the competition. Again, there's a free trial on Helium 10, link in the description if you want to try it out and get a discount. But that's it for today's video. What's the toughest part about competing on Amazon for you? Let me know in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. This is where we're going to be utilizing these tools to optimize your title, your bullet points. We also have a design team, customer service team, advertising team that all specialize in one area to make sure you increase your sales and dominate Amazon. The benefit of this service is you don't have to be one person that does everything. You're going to have a full team working with you to make sure you save time, increase your sales, and become successful on Amazon in the long run. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.